Hi, welcome to the Getting Started video for Trimble TerraFlex connecting with Trimble Virtual World. To start with, you will have Trimble TerraFlex as a license from your distributor. To use Virtual World, we are running it on Windows platform, so you can download the Windows version of TerraFlex from the TerraFlex Getting Started website on trimble.com. We download, and then we will install the Windows version. Now that TerraFlex is installed, the next thing we'll do is create a text file called virtualworldsettings.toml into the Documents TerraFlex folder. Inside that, you'll have two lines of text. The first one is IP address. As you can see here, it's defaulted to localhost, which is also known as 127.0.0.1. That IP address could also be changed to match your local area network if you're doing a device to virtual world connection. The port is 200 and that's fixed for GPS, so 200 is the one you need to set there. Now we can run TerraFlex and have a look at our GNSS setup. So we can go into settings, and under the GNSS receiver port, we'll see that virtual world is now a choice. So we just select virtual world, and that will then allow us to connect into the DA2 that we've got running over there. And at the moment, we're not connected. So let's connect with virtual world by running it. Next, we run Trimble Virtual World. Go into our TerraFlex quest that we can create using the creator mode, run, and I put us into the poly construction world, which has a nice asset collection area. It's a park, and as a good choice for a GPS receiver, we're going to change from the default to the DA2. Now, let's connect with TerraFlex. Now let's have a look at our GNSS status as it's connecting. Doing the connection. And it comes up with a message about the firmware updating. We can just ignore that for now. We're a virtual device, so we don't need the firmware updated. And you can see that we're now at a centimeter position with 15 satellites, and we are in the position that we expected. Let's see where we are. We can zoom out, and we can start measuring within a virtual world. So here we go. We go over to the park bench, and now we can measure that point in TerraFlex. So we go in and hit collect, park monument, and the type is park bench, and we hit save. And we store that point in virtual world, and then we go and find another asset, such as this lamppost, and measure in TerraFlex. So we can repeat the process with more points, also lines and area features within virtual world, and they will appear inside TerraFlex.